Welcome everyone. Today's session is going to be on setting up the dependencies in pom.xml and running our first Selenium Java program and how we do it. As I mentioned earlier, that we will use dependencies to insert in the pom.xml, and that ways we'll manage the dependencies dynamically. So how do we do that? Now, first you have to add dependency stack, and under this dependency we are going to add dependency. So go to google.com and type in maven repository. This will come up. So here you click on this, and here you're going to see Selenium. Just type that and search it. So Selenium Java, and we are going to use the latest version 4.5.3. and this, just click on this and copy this and put this here. So this way we'll get our Selenium. This little icon is here, local Maven changes. Just click on it and it will start resolving the dependencies for us. So that's been done. We also need another dependency, which is WebDriver Manager by Boni Garcia. If you type this in this Maven repository and search, you will get this, and you can click on the latest one, 5.3.1. Click on it to copy it and put this another dependency tag very carefully here. And again you see this Maven icon here for local Maven changes. Click on it and this will resolve all the dependencies. So all set and done. Now why we need this WebDriver Manager is, this is a very beautiful thing that Boni Garcia has come up with. Earlier we used to download the particular driver exes and install it in, store it in our system and then give the path to it. It was a very manual and tedious work, but this way you can manage the binaries on the fly. So we'll see our first test case. Go to new, right click, go to new, Java classes, and I say my first test case, and I can go ahead and get the main signature. This is where the program starts. So I can say WebDriver Manager dot Chrome driver. I'm going to run this on Chrome, so I'm using Chrome driver and setup. This is all you got to. This one line will take care of everything in terms of your binaries, resolving binaries, installing them on the fly, running, managing it. So that ways. And then we say WebDriver driver driver equals to new Chrome driver. So this way we instantiate our driver, and now we can say driver dot get, and here we can use the string. So just go there and say google.com, capture this URL, copy this and paste it inside this quotes. So this will go to this website. Then we say driver dot find element by name. I know the name is q of the element, and then we say send keys. I send test, and I can also say keys dot enter, and then we can say thread dot sleep so that we can see the effect, and we put it for 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Now there is an error here. If you hover over it, it says add exceptions to method signature. So we have added the interrupted exception method signature here, and then we can say driver dot quit to close the driver. Now this is going to be our first program, and you can go here on this green arrow, click on it, run my first test case main. So it will run the program. It is going to first build it and then run it. So I will show you how to find elements, how to locate elements. See, it has launched the browser. It is typing test, entered, and it has got all the record related results. And in 3 seconds, it will close it. It has closed it successfully. So if you come to this piece of code here, so here we are dynamically managing the binary for that Chrome driver. Then we are instantiating the driver. Then we are going to this URL. Then we are saying find element by name. Now there are various ways that you can find the particular locate the element in the web page. I will show you that step by step. So do not worry. Sit back and relax and just follow the sessions one by one, and you will gain a good confidence towards the end of it. So here I'm just saying send keys, and I'm saying test and keys enter. So I'm entering, pressing the enter key, and then I'm saying wait for 3 seconds before you quit the browser. So it closes the browser on its own. So this is how this first piece of test case is going to work, has worked for us, and it has shown us that it is going to the google.com, and then it is finding this element, and then it is putting in this keyword test and then entering it and showing us the result. Now I will show you in coming videos how to find elements, how to locate elements, because you need to, in automation, the most important thing is identifying an element, because if you're not able to identify the element, you won't be able to interact with it. So to for the interaction purpose, it is very important to understand that, and we will be covering that in coming sessions. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you can, whenever I post the new content, you can get them instantly. And thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next session.